Hi, this is Lisa from Mindfully Nutritious. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be pickling vegetables. We have 3 veggies we're going to be pickling. First up is red cabbage. Second, we have our red onion. And last but definitely not least, we have our cucumber. So, let's get started. Grab your vegetables and add them to your mason jars. My veggies are pre-washed and pre-cut thanks to my sous chef George. You can cut your vegetables whichever way you like. Just keep in mind that thicker cuts will lead to a crunchy pickle, and thinner cuts will lead to a tender pickle. Next, grab a medium pot and place it over medium heat. Add in your water first so you don't get any vinegar steam in your face. Then add in your vinegar. Sprinkle in your sugar and salt, which will both enhance the flavors of our veggies. Stir until the sugar and salt is completely dissolved. This will take about a minute. Leave the mixture over medium heat until it reaches a gentle boil. If you also got one of these cool laser thermometers for Christmas, use it here to check the temperature. We're looking for about 185 degrees Fahrenheit. While we're waiting, we're going to add our aromatics to our mason jars. Here I'm placing 1 bay leaf, chopped garlic, and red and black peppercorns into each jar. Feel free to add any other aromatics that you love. Here's your chance to really be creative. Now, our mixture should be at a gentle boil. Turn off the heat and carefully ladle in the hot mixture into each mason jar. If you have a funnel, definitely use it here. We are completely covering the vegetables with our mixture, leaving about 1 centimeter air space from the top. Let the jars rest before covering. Once cooled, give your jars a shake, combine all flavors, and voila! You just pickled these delicious veggies. Let them sit in the fridge for 2 hours, then add them to any dish to elevate its flavors. I love using them as toppings on salads, burgers, sandwiches, avocado toast, and tacos. Store them in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Try this recipe out for yourself, then leave a comment below and let us know how you like to enjoy your pickles.